Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about a new update from Apple that is regarding your iCloud photos. Yes guys, the new update came from Apple saying that we can now transfer iCloud photos to Google Photos. Right? So now whatever photos we have stored in our iCloud can be transferred to Google Photos and that storage can be used for some other purpose. Right? So it's very easy. It is the official website. The link will be description. So now once you are in the web page, so do one thing, scroll down and here you will find a link for the next step, that is your privacy.apple.com. So here it will open this page. So now just go to next page and you will find a page where you want to enter your Apple ID and password. So here it will open the data and privacy web page. So just go ahead and enter your Apple ID and password. So guys, here as soon as you sign in to data and privacy, there are multiple options regarding your data, that get a copy, transfer a data, as well as your correct data, right? So now we require to transfer your iCloud photos to Google Photos. For that, we need to choose a request to transfer copy of your data. Just tap on that and open this option. So once you open the option, it will automatically detect all the photos from your iCloud. So now, as of now, on my iCloud, there are only 7 photos, no videos. So it will show 7 photos and only about 3 MBs, right? So if you have 100 of photos, it will show all the 100 photos here. But as of now, there are only 7 photos. So just go ahead with 7 photos. So now, after you got the photos, just choose a destination. So that is the Google Photos. In future, it might add other drive also, like your online drives. As of now, only Google Photos. Just choose the Google Photos and click on Done. So click on Photos. After that, go ahead and click on Continue. So if you see here, it says that your Google account must have at least 3 MB storage available. Means that is your My Photos size. So the Google account which you are using, okay, if that very old Google account, it might consume storage also. So make sure that before transferring your data, your Google account has a storage remaining. After that, okay, if you confirm the data and if your Google account activated, so just click on Continue. And after that, it will ask you to enter or add a Google account. So just go and click on refresh. So if you see here you need to add your Google account where you want to transfer your iCloud photos. So guys, before entering Google account, make sure that that is your active Google account, okay, and it is very safe for you to transfer photos to that account. So after you confirming that, just enter the Google account credentials. So once you add a Google account, okay, it will ask for permission for your photos, that is access, right? Click on allow. And after that, there are multiple permission you have to give. Okay, just click on allow. And here once you do that, it will show the display that your photo has been transferring to Google Photos, that is your account name. Once you allow all the permission, now the last step, that is your confirming your transfer. So here it shows all the details, that is your photos, your destination, your transfer account, the photos you are transferring to which account, that is the account name, and here the storage, as well as your from which Apple ID you are transferring. Okay, so Apple ID name, Google account name, as well as Google Photos. So after that, just click on confirm the transfer. After that, if you see here, thank you, we will start copying your data. After you confirm your transfer, okay, you see this page, right, saying that thank you, you will start copying your photos to Google Photos, and it will take 3 to 7 days for transferring your data or photos. So guys, that's it. Okay, it's a very simple process of transferring your iCloud photos to Google Photos, and just make sure that you follow the simple steps, okay, very correctly, and don't miss anything. Here there is another option for you, that is your tracking the transferring of photos. So if you want to know the status of the transfer, just click on this site. Once you come back to your data and privacy account, there is a notification regarding your photo transfer, right? You will see transferring in progress to Google Photos and requisition 5th March, that is your today date, right? So it is very simple to transferring your iCloud photos to Google Photos in simple steps. I hope this video helped you, and the video is helped you, just like the video. Please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.